Welcome along to the next auction video here from Ramco. Ben at the sales team here, and we're going to go through over 2,400 lots in our latest auction. If you have any queries on any of the lots that you see, our contact number is 01754 880 880, or you can contact us at sales@ramco.co.uk, and we'll dive straight into it. Here we go. A way to start the auction off. With lot 1 here, we've got the Kubota ME 5700 hydro shuttle tractor. So we've got a special guest here for us to start off the auction tour. This is Will. He works in the warehouse for us at Ramco, processes all the stock into the auctions for us. Lovely lad, and he's absolutely excited to have a little go in the tractor for us. So as he's just familiarising himself with it, because he's literally just sat in it for the first time, we'll have a little chat about it. So this is a 2006 model with a 2746cc engine, 1555 hours used. So Will's just going to have a little drive around. Like I said, he's just familiarising himself with the unit at the minute. As you can see at the front here, got the snowplow attachment as well. We've got the mechanical arm that moves it up and down, which is great. And with this, we've had a bit of an inspection done on it, and we've attached those sheets to the lot listing themselves. So should you be interested in the condition report and everything like that on the tractor, they are attached to the lot listing. So here he goes. I thought he was going to go in the muddy bit, and so we get all muddy. But we have got a video attached to the lot listing on this one, so you can see it moving around the yard here at Croft. But I thought it'd be a nice special touch for this video, just so you can see it moving around. And then Will's very happy because he gets to have a drive as well. So as you can see, smashing piece of kit here for lot 1. A great way to start off our auction tour video. Here at lot 2, we've got a Baumann HX40 side loader forklift. Lovely piece of kit here. We've got a video of this one running around our Croft yard here, and all the functions of it going. So there's the forks coming up and down, the actual body tilts to the side as well, left and right. So yeah, it's well worth watching that video just to see the functions of this forklift in action. So yeah, this is the HX40 model, 2001 manufacture year. It's done 518 hours, and as I say, you can see it running around our yard in the video, and also just under those boards there, we've got pictures and footage of the engine running as well. We've also had an inspection on the vehicle, and the inspection sheets have come through, so we've done scans of those and put them on the pictures as well, so the condition report's there, so you can see that on the pictures. Right, let's show you inside the cab. So as you can see here, very tidy. Just to confirm the hours used, getting focus there, 518. And then the badge information down here, you can see that. So yeah, it's a very nice piece of kit, and that is lot 2 in this month's auction. At lot 3 here, we've got the Caterpillar generator. So we featured one of these last month in the auction. We do have another one this month, which is great. This is the 320 kVA 256 kilowatt generator, 445 amps per phase at 415 volts and 1500 RPM. So the year of manufacture on this one is 2003, and we've got an extensive report on this on the lot listing itself. So if you are interested in this, the whole spec is there, and a bit of information on the internals of it, which we've got pictures of. It hasn't been started, but we've got, as I say, mechanical report there. Just bear in mind some of the damage to the doors here as well, as you can see, which again we've pictured that as well. So yeah, the engine in this is the Caterpillar 3406 inline 6-cylinder turbocharged intercooled diesel engine, and it uses a mechanical fuel pump as well. But again, if like with any of the lots in the auction this month, you need any more information on them, we'll do our best to accommodate that. You can get in touch with us via phone or email as explained earlier. But that is lot 3 this month, the Caterpillar generator. So here at lot 4 we've got the BR12 13.5 metre bridge, comprising of 2 up and over ramps, as you can see here. We've got a vehicle on there just to show the size of the unit, so we've got a big gritter truck on there. Obviously that is not included with this lot, it's just the bridge sections you can see here. So it's just a quick walk around for it so you can see it. We've got detailed pictures on that should you be interested. So width perspective, looking around 150 centimetres as well, with a height of 71 centimetres. We come to lot 5 here for the auction. We've got a Terberg terminal tractor / shunter. This is the TT222 model, and 2005. It's 8,231 miles, diesel model. It's got a capacity of 35,000 kilograms, 24 ton 3 axle. Just recently had the wheels painted as well. Got a video of this running around the yard here at our Croft site, and also we've got it pulling a trailer as well, and off detaching the trailer too. I'll just show you inside. So just inside the cab here now, you can see the chair that spins around to enable you to drive backwards essentially. And as we can see there, it's got 3,210 hours as well. So with this one, on the lot listing, the chassis number and everything's on there, pictures of the badges, but also we've had the vehicle inspected, so there is some Lola inspection sheets attached to the pictures, so you can have a look at the condition report on that one. But that's lot 5, your Terberg shunter truck. Here at lot 6 we've got the BM Autotechnic AS brake tester unit. So you're on the left hand side there with the generator, you've got that unit included as well, which we'll talk about in a second. You've got the brake tester unit here on the right hand side, which we've took out the trailer unit to picture. So I'll just show you down here. This is the unit that's included with the trailer. So this is the BM 20200 model, the 2004 model, and then it comes in this trailer unit here. I'll just show you inside where it slots in, just inside there, and then attached to it at the back here it comes with a generator as well. We've got the Genset a Thermodyne company diesel generator, 66 kVA, 1500 RPM. Again, we've got some detailed pictures inside the unit as well, so you can see that. But that's all included in lot 6. Here at lot 7 we've got the Street gantry crane units. So we've got the Type ZX 1006 model here, the 2003 manufacture year, and it's a 32 ton capacity unit. As you can see here, we've got the 32 ton hook block attachment as well. I'll just show you around the unit itself so you can see. We've got extensive pictures of the unit on the lot listing should you be interested in this one. I'll just show you around here without falling over. Got a picture of all the electronics with the cupboard open as well. And then as we come round to the hook itself, so you can have a look at that. And then to my right for lot 8, another street crane unit, overhead crane ZX04 model 2012 with a 3.2 ton capacity. And as you can see here, we've got some control panels. We've also got some beams as well, that I'll show you in a few seconds, that are just outside our building. So I'll just come around this side and show you the unit. The crane unit there. And again, we've got the cupboards open with the pictures of the electronics. So as we come across, we've got the isolation control units with your Siemens display, and also the pneumatic control units as well. And then if we just come this side so you can see it, we've got the sort of main control panel with Siemens display again. I'll just show you the beam and frameworks for it. So these are the beams for lot 8 I was just talking about. Just bring you in a little bit closer. The two sections here. All the fixtures, fittings inside the bag there, and then the last sections here. So that concludes lot 8. Lot 9, we've got the Godwin pump unit. This is the HL80M dry pump model. Got the serial number and all the details on there should you be interested in that, but this is powered by a Perkins diesel engine. It's the 44D22T model. And then also, just come on the end here, we've got the Be Cool radiator. It's the SK0 3009 model. As you can see the weight there of the unit. So a hefty old piece of kit. I'll show you inside the engine there. And we've also got the Murphy control panel there. Okay, so that is lot 9 in this month's auction. So at lot 10 here, you can see we've got a 20-foot roll-on, roll-off unit, and it's got the fixed beaver tail at the back there. So I'll just take you around, show you on the trailer here. Show on the back. See, it's a stronger trailer. I'll just show you this side. And then as we come across here to lot 11, we'll just come around this side and zoom out a little. There we go. So at lot 11 here, we've got your 20 cubic roll-on, roll-off skip, the Robo skip. Yeah, I'll just try and show you inside. Fortunately I'm 6'7", so we can reach over here. So bear with me on this one, lot 12. Just please bear in mind that the ladders and the catering equipment around it is not included. But this is lot 12. It's a massive unit. I'm hoping the video shows how big it is. But we've got a boom training cabin here for a radar assembly, and also the radar included to the left hand side there. This is a Siemens Plessey radar unit, and you've got the boom on there as well. There's a little bit of damage on there. If you just come in a little bit, I'll show you. Just at the top, I don't know if you can see it there. Let's just zoom in a little. Just some little marks there as we look through it. It's a little sort of towards the top there. So you've got the radar unit there on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side here you've got the little training cabin. So it's 3.5 meters by 2.5 meters deep. With the radar there on the left hand side, you're looking at about 5 meters long, and all in all about 3 meters deep with the boom arm coming out there. We'll show you inside the cabin as we come inside. Try and get the camera around as best I can. A small unit here inside. Nice solid door as you walk in. Okay, so I'll just show you the door as we come out. As you can see, the door thickness there. And as we come around the side. So that is lot 12. At lot 14 here we've got the IFA Williams E11 trailer, 4.3 meters long with a box on the back there, as you can see. We'll show you inside that in a little moment. But nice bit of kit here. We've got all the electronic points and things, as you can see down the side there. I've got extensive pictures should you be interested in this, but we'll show you inside just so you can see its potential. So as you can see inside here, got some electronic points there, and then in the back part of the vehicle there's sort of storage and where the fuse boxes and bits are as well. So it's already ready kitted out already. And a fantastic piece of kit. Now we've made our way into hall 2, as we call it here at Ramco. We've got 2 halls, where we start here at lot 17 with these ski poles. We've got 2 halls of goods right next to each other, and then a little later on we have bay 5, which is our final hall at the other side of the building, where we have some more bits for sale. It's a pretty similar format to last month as well. We had the 3 halls, some bits at our Croft site, as you've already seen, and bay 5 and outside as well. So we'll get as much as we possibly can into the auctions. So we've got plenty of lay flat hoses, as you've just seen there. We've got plenty more of those as we go through these parts of the videos. We've got plenty of ski poles and skis and things like that as well. The skis will be in the next video, from lots 701 up to 1400, and then some more a little bit later in video 3 as well. These are Zipro fan heaters. They have been a regular feature of the auctions these past few months. The paraffin heaters. So as you can see in that section there, a few mechanical spares, some plumbing equipment as well. And a regular feature again, we have electrical equipment such as lots like this for your electrical spares. That's at lot 51. And then in these boxes here, again, these have been a regular feature in the auctions these past few months. We've got the safety goggles. Different quantities in the lots this month as well. Got some by the pallet load a little bit later on if you wanted bigger quantities. And then here we've got the welding tables, DCR welding tables. So once we've finished coming up and down this aisle, and we've got the main section of catering equipment in this auction. So if you're after any catering equipment, stay tuned to the video. We'll also have some in the next part as well when we get into Hall 1. Some brake chambers there at lot 80. The ice picks. So as you can see so far, we've got plenty of outdoor and expedition equipment this month as well, and there's plenty more to come with that as well. So as we go through the videos, I'll do quick lot checks so you know exactly where we are and the range to search for if there is anything of interest that you're seeing. So again, the expedition equipment, the outdoor equipment. We've got crampons and ski poles and ice shoes there, as you can see, snowshoes, sorry. So as we come back around here at these picks, just a quick lot check at 103. So as we go through this part of the auction, these items that you're seeing are typical items that we can send via pallet. So if you were to win a few of these lots here, we consolidate them all together and the warehouse team would pack the items. We have like pallet sized boxes that we call tri-walls. The tri-wall boxes will get as much as we can into those safely and keep it as cost effective as we can. But if you needed a price for delivery to help you influence the bids that you put on, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We can help with that. It's not a problem at all. Some of the items that we'll see a little bit later on that are what we class as oversized, so a little bit bigger than one pallet space, it can start to get a little bit trickier in terms of quotations for delivery. But again, if we have your address details and a rough idea of the size of the consignment, then we can certainly get you a quotation, or a rough quotation that will be in and around the price that you'll be quoted from us. Okay, so as we come here to 134, lot 134, through to lot 138, in there we've got some rubber sheeting, and if you're interested in those, the thickness and the dimensions of those are in the lot listings themselves from 135. And as you can see here, we have featured these regularly in the auction, the tool box foam inserts there. So again, if you're interested in those, there is plenty of lots this month you can go at. And welding equipment as well. So we'll get to smaller items a little bit later on as well. We can send those via parcel, and we use Parcel Force 24-hour delivery. So if it's dispatched before lunchtime from here, from us, should be with you the next working day. And that's all weight dependent. Anything over 30 kilograms we'd send with an alternative supplier, whichever is the cheapest, Tufnells, UPS, anything like that. But Parcel Force don't accept a gram over 30 kilograms, so I have to be very careful. We give a discount on if there's more than one box on the consignment, so we will distribute that evenly, so we're not over 30 kilograms. Okay. So we're almost at the catering now. We've got some nice catering pieces in this month again, as always. So 178 there, we've got the limb bins there with the different nuts and bolts, as well as 179 as well. These are water purification tanks, as you can see, with the carry bags and the foot pumps. And then we've got some more rubber matting there, and also in there was a parasol with a Bluetooth speaker and LED lights. That's at lot 184. It's in this box here, and that is assembled in the pictures. And we make our way around to the catering section. So just a quick lot check at this stainless steel unit at 188. So the dimensions of all these pieces, especially with things like this, are on the lot listings themselves, you know, display cabinets and things like that, so that you know these will fit in your settings. But as usual, we've got a wide range of refrigeration units of well-known makes such as Foster and Williams. As you can see, we've got a wide array of Foster fridges and freezers here as well, varying conditions. Please make sure to look at the pictures that we've got on the lot listings to see the condition. They are all untested. I don't think we'd ever get an auction on if we had to test absolutely everything, so please bear that in mind and bid accordingly. So as you can see, we've got plenty of refrigeration units, chillers, all different shapes and sizes, and a Bissell carpet cleaner there at lot 213. And some more refrigeration units here, display units. And then at lot 218 here, got the display chest freezer as well. So we do have plenty of shop fitting chilled displays and things like that. Also heated ones as well, like this one here at lot 223. And we did feature some a couple of months ago, but we also now have some more vending machines as well. We've had plenty of hot drink dispensers and things like that, but now they're at 225 and 226. We've got some more snack type vending machines in. A nice Hobart Eco Max pass through dishwasher there. And we've just, if I just pan around here, just so you can see at lots 231, 232 and 233. Got some nice refrigeration units, the Inox ones again. We've featured these in the last couple of auctions. We've got some more this time. Nice single, and then you've got the double units, and also here, as you can see, a 234. Got the under counter unit there, and then if I just turn behind me here, just down this row here, as we go back towards the end where we started on the catering, we're looking at more cookware items here, your fryers and your ovens. So 237, as you can see here, we've got the Baker's Pride pizza oven. This is a Super Deck 2 deck, and your refrigerated prep units here. These are all Inox ones. They vary between the VTP 150 or the 132 models, and they're from lots 238 through to 243. And then at 246 there we've got the Hobart mixer, and again these are becoming regular features in the auction rationale equipment. So again we've got some more this month here at 247. We've got the SCC61 and the 101, the self-cooking centres. That's at lot 247, and then at 248 we've got the Rationale SCC61. Okay, we've got some Garland units here. I'll just zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. So you got the electric twin range oven, and the different hobs and the unit on top there. And nice. And as we carry on, we've got the Electrolux solid top gas ovens here. Got two of those units at 250 and 251. So as you can see, just in this small section, we've got a range of different sort of cookwares as we make our way through the auction. I've got a couple of hot drinks dispensers here at 257, and then some more just around here up to 260. And we'll come back to some more fryers. We've got the Electrolux fryer there. A nice Zanussi double fryer. So again, as mentioned earlier, with some of the items in the cages we had before, these are typically what we're looking at now, some of the items that would be deemed oversized. We can still deliver these, it's not a problem at all. We can get a price for those. If it's something below 2 meters, then we charge 2 pallet spaces. Something like these Foster units here at 273 and 274 are quite tall, so that would be deemed oversized as well, because it limits the vehicle that can be sent out on. So again, we will get a special price for you. But yeah, they're very tall units, those Foster units there. As you can see, the condition of those. These are the GRL 1HA gastronorm units. So again, we can get a price for those, not a problem at all. And as we make our way to the next aisle at 281 there, we've got another one of the Victor hot cupboards, and same with 282 behind this Taylor unit. So at 283 is the Taylor soft serve machine. Fortunately, we're not too sure of the model number on this one, as there's no badge, or it's worn off, I think. So unfortunately, we don't know that one. We've always sold Taylor's machines before, and they've always looked really solid machines. So again, we've got more catering and restaurant and bar equipment as we make our way down this section of the auction. These nice pieces here, 293. Got the Frankie coffee to bean, bean to cup coffee machine, sorry. These are the A600s, but as you can see as we go along here, from lots 293 onwards, we've got several of them in the auction this month. Should you be interested in any of those? So at the end of this aisle, we come to the end of the catering equipment. We'll move on to more of the mixed and miscellaneous items that we normally have at Ramco. And if you are one of our regular customers, you will know how varied the items we sell here. And some more of the hot drinks dispensers there. Okay, so we're in the last section of the catering items. Again, if there is any items of interest here, like for example this Fiame coffee machine, you're wondering how much it costs to ship, etc., please get in touch and we can certainly give you a price for delivery. And if we're not sure, like with the bigger items, we'll always obtain that quote and get back to you before the auction closes, providing it's not 2 minutes before it finishes. Okay, so we've got some nice coffee shuttles here, Bun and Marco. Lots 232 through to 332 through to 334. And here at 337, as you can see, got one of the Merry Chef convection ovens. Okay, we feature these quite regularly. And this model is the 402S V4. Got an array of dishwashers here through lots 342 through to 345. So we pass on the catering now, and we're at lot 346, and these have been a regular feature in the auctions. These are the quad bike mounting kits, so a pallet's worth there, and another one as we go along. So apologies for the angle here, we are very narrow, and got the protective shields, the PPE equipment, the Covey shields. Another lot here at 349 as well, as you can see, pallets worth of those. And these are the tri-wall boxes I was talking about earlier, sort of a pallet sized box. In this particular one at 352 we've got the snowshoes, larger quantities than the ones that we saw a little earlier. And then in these two lots here at 354 and 55 we've got various sheet music, which is all pictured in the lot listings themselves, and the goggles that we saw earlier at lot 356. We've got a pallet size lot there with boxes on. As we make our way across to 363 through to 365, in here we've got the ProWise universal storage and charging carts. They've all got 36 slots each. And then at 366 all the way down to the bottom here at 369 we've got the sheets of turf and fibre board, which again are all in the pictures. So yeah, we're well into the miscellaneous goods here, and then we've got the Taylor's milkshake machine just down here at lot 430. So as you can see, sorry, it's lot 373, it's the Taylor 430 milkshake machine. I had to double check there, I was thinking is that 430 at lot 430, but no, it's just me getting confused. So you've got the Marionette outboard engines there at 376 and 377. They're both 20 horsepower models. As you can see, you get the travel cage with them there as well. The hours are very low, certainly on 376 at 9 hours used, and then at this one here at 114. I've got some more a little bit later on in the auction, which will be in part 2 video, and with those specific ones they have been tested out by a mechanic we use, and it's kindly done as a video and a little bit of a summary condition report, if you like, on the motors. So if you're interested in those, stay tuned. But also, like I said, those ones have videos linked to them. When we get to them, we'll highlight those to you. Some interesting pieces have come along here, certainly at 409 here. We've got the Minolta microfilm reader and scanner. It's the, as you can see here, the MS 6000 model. So a very interesting piece. Some cabinet and storage solutions there. And then as we quick lot check here as we go around the next aisle at lot 414, got the HP Design Jet T3500. It's a 36-inch multifunctional printer there. You see there's a big old unit. We've got an array of storage boxes. as we just come up to these ovens here that we've got. So here we've got the GenLab N40 SF lab oven, and then just next to it here at lot 426 we've got the Gallon Camp hot box oven with a fan there. And the Factair Hydrovane air compressor at lot 429, featured one of those last month. And then at 430 here we've got a Aerotrim EC03 mobile refrigeration unit just under that cover there. And we featured some of these last month as well. We have some more should you be interested. It's the water purification units. So we've got the high pressure filtration units and the volume coralization doser units. And to make sure I had my teeth in to say all that. But yeah, it's regular features in our auctions, as is the wheel moving trolleys, Weber WT500 models. A little bit more as you come down here at 449 onwards. Some more interesting pieces as we come along here. Some Godiva pumps. A lot 455 and 456, as well as some inflation fans here. Got the Briggs and Stratton Vanguard 6 horsepower fans, and some Weber hydraulic Jaws of Life equipment. So we've got quite a few options here. Should you miss one, there's some more this month through to lots 465. And then we've got some Cerber cabinets here. These are the cooling distribution units at 466, 467 and 68 respectively. And then just in between we've got the Vanguard generator, the Briggs and Stratton one. This is a 13 horsepower generator. As we make our way through to 470, we've got ice spikes and crampons here as we make our way across. All different quantities, different styles. And we've got some machine tools here at 474. As you can see, we've got the Axminster speed drill press. So this is the HD16BC model. All the specifications are in the lot listing should you be interested. And then at 475 got the Axminster AS12DLMB braked disc sander. You've got the dust collector on that as well. And I'll have to just step back a little bit for this one. At lot 476 got the Axminster woodworking bandsaw. This is the Axminster Plus 70355 model. And we've just got a few items on the shelves here. These are avalanche transceivers. We've got 481 onwards. As you can see, we've got varying quantities here as we make our way through these shelves. A little prelude to the shelving section of the auction, and we will finish this video on some shelves up to lot 700. The smaller items, as I explained earlier, with sending via parcel force. And various wiper blades here for cars, vehicles. sport altimeters, and more fitness equipment here as we go along. Some GPS units through to lot 510. And we've got the Parker brand pressure washer there at lot 511, followed by some box or carton sealing machines here at lot 512 and 513 respectively. And under these shelving units here we've got various types of spanner and tools. So just behind this tripod here, we've got the Hitachi PB260E industrial continuous inkjet printer there. I'll just show you inside that. What's that? And some waste bin frames there. And as I explained earlier, we've got the lay flat hoses again. We've got some more quantities in this month. As you can see, different sizes. We've got the couplings as well. And we have even more than this just a little bit further down this aisle. And as we come through to lot 538, we've got some really nice pieces here. Inside this case here we've got the Yamaha LS932CH mixing desk. As you can see, cased, a flight case there, and as we come next to that we've got a lighting desk. This is the Ava Lights Pearl Expert lighting desk in that nice Ava Lights case there. Again, should you be interested in those, we have extensive pictures with the desks outside the box. As you can see them there, we've got them ready for transport. Some more crampons again, some of the Expedition outdoor equipment as we explained earlier, up to lots 546 there. And some more of the collapsible tanks. Alarm equipment there. And some more of the lay flat hoses, lot 553 and 554. So at the flues here that we've got at lot 563, fast approaching the end of this first video up to lot 700. Part 2 will feature 701 to 1400, and then the third part will be 1401 all the way through to our last lot, which is 2417. So another big auction this month, lots and lots of lots to look at. But again, if you have any questions on anything that you're seeing in these videos, that's what they're for, to give you another dimension to our photos and lot listings themselves. So hopefully these are helpful, but if there is any questions whatsoever on anything that you're looking at right now that you're curious about, you can get in touch with us in so many different ways. You can comment on the video, whether you're watching on Facebook or YouTube. You can get in touch with us via email at sales@ramco.co.uk. You can give us a call on 01754 880 880, and we're open Monday to Friday 8 till 5. So there are plenty of different options to get in touch should you be interested, in any of the lots we've got in the auction this month. And apologies, because you'll hear me say that lots and lots of times. I know I've said it already, but it's just in case you're skipping through the video to lots of interest. You know, I don't expect everybody to watch the whole video, and you know, if you are, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying looking through the auction just as much as we enjoy getting them together, cataloguing it, you know, laying it out and taking the pictures. We're all passionate about what we do here at Ramco. We're very, very lucky to have such a great job, and as you've seen through these videos that we've done, the stock is so varied. We're not dealing with the same thing all the time, which is great. It's different, it varies it up. We see all sorts of different sorts of items. We're learning all the time, you know, like something like this item here, you know, that I wouldn't know what it is until looking through it. We've got the Prince Castle universal holding machine there, so again, you know, we're learning all the time, which is fantastic. So we've got more of the welding tables here as we come down this second half of this aisle. Filing cabinets, which again we do feature those regularly, as well as these units here. It's the Nordic cooling units. These are the EECU M18 models. Featured plenty of those in the past few months. And in these pallets here we've got quantities of scapper tape. So let's just go in one of the boxes so we can show you. Just an example. If I can get in the box. There we go. And this particular lot here, at lot 612, got black scapper tape. So they, again, always a regular feature if you're interested in things like that, if you're new to the auctions. And then the foam tray inserts that we saw earlier. We have bigger quantities here. You can see the tri-wall pallet size boxes. Those lots there from 616 through to 617 are full of those foam tray inserts there. And then in this box here at lot 620 we have some air ducting hose assemblies. And then here at lot 623 we've got some HP wide print head wiper kits in there. So as we come to lot 625, these luminaire lights, we're now going to be featuring until the end of the video. We're nearly there. The shelf items, so typically items that we send via parcel force. So this video will finish at lot 700 and then we'll be on to part 2, where we'll run from 701 to 1400. As you can see, if you're a regular customer of our auctions, we've got the Fluke oscilloscopes again, and as you can see we have more of those this month. And some more hand tools. Got some more of the oscilloscopes coming up very soon. Here at lot 673 through to 680. These are the PM3082 models. As I say, we've featured these for many a time now in the auction. Okay, so we are at the final lot here, at lot 700. We've got some general purpose smoke alarms inside these bags here. There's 22 in total. Well, thank you ever so much for tuning in to part 1 of our auction tour video for this month, and we'll see you for part 2. Thank you.